Which Sonoran desert plants are safe to eat? Imagine walking through the Sonoran Desert during a guided tour in Phoenix and discovering some of the native plants that are not only beautiful but also edible. Many desert plants have been used by Native American tribes for centuries, and some are safe for us to enjoy today. If you are curious about what you can safely eat from the desert, you are in the right place. One of the most well-known edible desert plants is the prickly pear cactus. Its flat pads, called nopales, can be harvested carefully, dethorned, boiled, and eaten as a vegetable or added to salads. The prickly pear fruit, also known as tunas, has a sweet red flesh that can be eaten raw or cooked after removing the skin and tiny thorns. These fruits are packed with vitamins A and C and are often used to make syrups, candies, juices, and flavorings in local foods. Another safe to-eat plant is the chala cactus. Its young joints and ripened fruit are edible, but you need to carefully remove the thorns before eating. The fruit tastes mildly sweet, similar to strawberries, and the young joints can be eaten raw or cooked to make them easier to digest. The saguaro cactus is iconic in the desert. Its bright red fruit is highly prized and tastes like a mix of red plum and cranberry. During summer, you can shake the fruit down from the tall cactus arms and enjoy it fresh, dried, or turned into jams and syrups. Saguaro blossoms can also be cooked into syrup, adding a sweet touch to your desert experience. The palo verde tree produces edible bean pods when they are young, soft, and green. These pods taste similar to snap peas and are available in spring and early summer. You can eat them fresh or dry them for later use. The mesquite tree is another edible desert plant. Its pods are sweet and rich in protein. They can be ground into flour, which has been a traditional staple food for many desert dwellers. Other edible plants include the ironwood tree, which produces bean pods in spring, and amaranth, whose leaves and seeds are nutritious and safe to eat. Barrel cactus fruits are also edible, as are pinyon pine nuts and acorns found in the region. Wild greens like mallow leaves and berries from the African sumac are also foraged by some. When foraging in the Phoenix area or anywhere in the Sonoran Desert, it is essential to identify plants correctly because some look alike but are toxic. Always harvest sustainably and ethically to protect the environment. Many guided desert tours include education on edible plants, making it safer and more fun to learn about the desert's natural food sources. Exploring these plants can deepen your appreciation for the desert's biodiversity and even inspire you to incorporate native plants into your own garden. Participating in desert and water activities in Phoenix offers a chance to connect with nature and learn about these edible plants firsthand. Remember, always seek expert guidance when foraging and enjoy the adventure of discovering what the Sonoran Desert has to offer.